With this fish, I'm gonna teach you a trick. I'm gonna show you how to find your exact target market online, people who are begging to buy your products or services. I call it the match test. Here's how it works. It's kind of like fishing. The idea with fishing is that you put the right bait on the hook in order to attract the right fish. The fish who don't like your bait won't bite. But when you put bait on the hook that particular fish loves, they bite. It's exactly what's happening with the match test. But instead of using bait, you're using your content, like a 1-minute video that shows what you teach, your products or services, content. And instead of using fish, you use different audiences. Does that make sense? Let me show you how it works. Step 1, load your bait, your content on your Facebook page. Step 2, boost. Step 3, pick 4 different audiences. And to save time, pick an influencer or a coach who is most like you and your brand. They already have the audience figured out. Remember, just guess at this point. And then step 4, declare a winner. Facebook will tell you who won based off of the score, the metrics. It's that freaking simple.